Stampers, Deb Valder here, your Fun Stampers Journey Coach, and today I'm going to show you an over-the-top exquisite card. You know how much I love black and white. You add a little bit of silver to it and oh, it's just so gorgeous. Anyway, this is the card that we're going to be doing today. It is all done with dies, just so very, very pretty and very fast, easy to do. You can use it for any occasion, I would believe. Let me show you what's involved in this one. All right, so we've got the Blooming Details die set. This is one that you know I love to pieces. It has layering pieces to it, so the leaves have layering pieces to it, the flowers have layering pieces to it. It's just beautiful. And I always cut out a whole bunch of them so I have them ready to go, even more, okay? And then we are also going to be using the netting die. Let me just show you that. That is in our Bloom This Way mini catalog. This Bloom This Way mini catalog is good until March, so make sure you get everything you want out of it. We only have this month to get them. But this is the diamond netting embossing folder. I'm absolutely loving this. It's just got a lot of possibilities and a lot of character to it. It adds a lot to your projects. So that's done with the Bloom This Way mini catalog. And then we have these little guys right here are a very popular item. It's a Hostess exclusive. So if you want to get this, you have to put in a $150 order or more, and you can get it at just $4.95. So it is this beautiful die right here, and that's the one I have for the leaves. Okay, so those are the pieces that we're going to use. Let's take our embossed folder, okay, and I'm going to put my ribbon around it. I'm going to use my black licorice satin ribbon, and I'm going to just tie that around. I'm actually going to just put it on the back end of it right here. Whoops. And just tie it around, and I'm just going to tie this into a pretty bow. All right. With the satin ribbon, you definitely need to turn as you go. All right, and super easy. Alrighty, and that's all there is to it. We'll fluff and fold at the end, but for right now, that's all we're going to do. We're just going to take and pop it up just like that, okay? Now what we're going to do is we're going to add it to our card base, and we're going to do that with some pop dots. Alright, so we're going to take our foam squares right here, and just add that. Be careful not to get the ribbon involved in that because we're going to take and move that after we get it onto our card. All right. So let's just take these off. And I like to do a bunch of these all at one time so that you have them. There's no saying on them, so you can just take and put whatever saying you want on the middle of it. And I'm just going to attach this. If you wanted, you could put a little piece of black behind that, but I really like it just the way it is. All right, so there's that one. And then we're going to take this, we're going to slide it underneath here, but we're going to use our, I think we'll use our Journey Craft glue. All right, so I'm just going to put this on some of the leaves right here. All right, just putting a few little dabs on it. I love this Journey Craft glue. Once you try this, you will never go and use another kind again. All right, so there's that one. We're going to slide this underneath our ribbon and just hold it there for a second. All righty, you can even take it. A lot of times what I do is I turn it over, but this one has the ribbon, so it's not going to lay as flat. But that's a great way to do it so that it just lays flat, and it only takes but a second. All right. And then we're going to start popping on some of our flowers. So I've pre-cut these because I always do that. And this is my little prep packet right here. All right. And I'm going to just grab a bunch of these out. So I want a little one and I want a big one. Here we go. Let's just grab a little one out of here. That's why I love having them pre-cut like this, because whenever you need them, all you have to do is just grab them out. All right, now what we're going to do is to take and put these together with some pop dots. So I'm going to grab my little ones right here, and we're going to take and just put those on the back like that, and then just pop them onto our flower. All right, did I pop those up? Oh yeah, but I only used a half of one. Alrighty, so let's just take this and grab my little scissors. And what's nice about these scissors is that you don't get glue. I mean, you can cut any kind of glue and they don't stick to them. I never have to use Glue Gone on here. I never have to use that sticky unstick stuff. All right, there it is. I just needed a half of one. And that one's going to get put right on here, and you don't want them actually to line up perfectly. And then where's my other half? That's going to go on this one right here. And okay, that's going to go on this little guy right here. And now we're ready to put them onto our cards. And I am going to pop those up. I think I'll pop those up with this one anyway, with a large one. All right, this one has got just a lot of dimension to it. It's so very, very pretty. I'll throw this one over here. I want it to hang off this little piece right there a little bit. And then I'm going to take a mini one for this one, a little tiny one for this one. All right, and that one will just stick right up here on the end of that little guy right there. All right, now to finish this card off, this is how fast it is. To finish this card off, we're just going to take and use some of our medium size. Let me grab my bloom tool. And we're just going to throw these right here in the middle. Alrighty. Isn't that so pretty? And then I'm just going to fluff and trim my bow right here. And I'm going to move it down just a little bit. Okay. And this is what I said. You can take and you can move it either side to side, whichever way you want it to go. And let's just trim off this bottom one right here. There we go. And we are done with our card. Like I said, you can kind of slide this either way, but look at, oh no, we got to take and put a few more of those little pretties on there. Okay, let's put a few more of these little pretties over here. So I'm going to do how about if we do a medium one and two little tiny ones. These are our beautiful silver pearls here, and we have them in gold also. Alrighty, now it's done. Look at how fast that was. And then you can say, put your sentiment on the inside. But that's all there is to this card. It's just so pretty. I absolutely love this Blooming Details die set. It has a set of 9 in there. You can use these all by themselves. You can use the flowers all by themselves. They're just absolutely exquisite. All of the information will be over on my blog. If you have any questions at all, you let me know. I'm here to help. Just pick up that phone or email me, message me, whatever you need to do. And I'll get back to you. You have a great day. Thank you for stopping by. Bye-bye.